Hi, this minigame is a simple Breakout clone. Let's duplicate the template scene. Use styles to make the round. Give the enemy side tag to it, because if the ball hits to it, the game is over. Add a ball. Give it a circle collider 2D. Now add the paddle. Give it box collider 2D. You can use tiles as blocks. When a ball hits them, they should disappear. Give it box collider 2D. Duplicate the ground and remove its tag and use it as a wall. Give break tag to the block. Then duplicate it to make a row. Give ball tag to the ball. The ball needs a rigid body 2D with 0 gravity scale. Now create scripts for brakes, paddle, and ball. In ball script, we use rigid body to move it. In launch function, the x is a slightly random and y is 1. It is only called in the start function. Now, when the ball collides to the ground, the scene is resetted. In paddle code, the paddle only moves horizontally. We need to clamp it in order to keep it inside the screen width. In break codes, the only thing we add is to check if the ball has hit the brakes. If so, then destroy the brake. Now give each code to their own game object. For the ball, it is better to set collision detection to continuous, then give bouncy physics material to its collider. We made that material in previous session. Also, give it to paddle. If you're afraid the ball goes down at the start, give the y value a positive number so it only moves up. Then, if you think your ball doesn't come down and bounces between two walls, then because its gravity scale is 0, then in update method check if the y value is too small, then increase it and change the velocity. When the ball hits the top row, it might go off a screen, so we need a wall there too. Now, here is the result.